The history of the samosa is not just the story of a snack. It is the story of travel, trade, empires, and cultural fusion. Long before the samosa became the king of Indian street food, its journey actually began in the harsh deserts and royal courts of the Middle East and Central Asia. Historians believe the samosa originated before the 10th century, where it was known as sambusak or sanbosag, a small triangular pastry filled with minced meat, nuts, and spices, prepared for merchants and travelers because it was easy to carry, filling, and could last for long journeys. Persian traders and Central Asian merchants carried this delicious invention along the famous Silk Route, unknowingly bringing with them a food that would one day become a global favorite. When the samosa finally arrived in the Indian subcontinent around the 13th or 14th century, during the Delhi Sultanate period, it quickly captured the attention of royal kitchens. Historical texts even mention that the cooks of the Sultan served crispy samosas filled with spiced meat and dry fruits to kings and nobles as a symbol of luxury and taste. But the real transformation of the samosa happened when it met Indian creativity. Indian cooks began experimenting, replacing expensive meat fillings with the now famous spiced potato mixture, after potatoes were introduced to India by the Portuguese in the 16th century. This simple change turned the samosa from a royal delicacy into the food of the common people. Soon, from the crowded lanes of Delhi to the busy markets of Kolkata and the railway stations of Mumbai, the samosa became the heartbeat of Indian street food culture. Its golden, crispy shell, the aroma of cumin and coriander, the heat of green chilies, and the comfort of mashed potatoes created a taste that connected rich and poor, young and old. During the British colonial period, samosas became a popular tea-time snack, slowly becoming part of daily life rather than just a festive treat. Today, the samosa is no longer just Indian, it is global. From spicy Indian aloo samosa to the Middle Eastern meat sambusak and even modern fusion samosas filled with cheese, chocolate, or noodles, this humble triangle has conquered continents. It is sold in luxury restaurants, roadside stalls, airports, and even frozen food aisles in supermarkets across the world. What makes the samosa truly special is not just its taste, but its story of survival and adaptation. It proves that food has no borders, that recipes travel like people, and that the simplest dishes often carry the richest histories. Every bite of a samosa today is actually a bite of history, a reminder of ancient caravans, royal feasts, colonial tea tables, and modern street vendors working under glowing evening lights. The samosa is not just food. It is tradition wrapped in a crispy shell, history filled with spice, and proof that sometimes the smallest things can carry the biggest stories.